Welcome learners, lecture 6 of mathematical method, that is the semester's third. We containing as a unit first of, that is a Fourier transform. In a previous lecture we contain as a localization lemma, but after that this localization lemma, that is a shortcut form of the some corollary. You know that what is meant by lemma and corollary. Corollary is the short form of to the lemma or theorem, depending on the same condition will be uses at this theorem. Okay, today lecture we started as a some corollary, that is a corollary will be generated as a form depending on the localization lemma. If f of t is an elements of p dash 0 to infinity, and if f of t upon t is an elements of a1 0 to infinity, where a is a arbitrary positive number, then integration 0 to infinity sin lambda t upon t dt tends to pi by 2 f of 0 plus as a lambda tends to infinity. In this equation of to the form, two condition will be given. First is a f of t is an elements of p dash 0 to infinity, and f of t upon t is an elements of a1 0 to infinity. Both of these conditions 0 to infinity is the same, but we containing of to the form, that is a p dash will be converted as a a1 and f of t is converted as a f of t upon t. Okay, and a is containing of to the form in this equation, that is a arbitrary positive number. Then main important form of to the sign will be given at two condition, that is a integration 0 to infinity sin lambda t upon t dt tends to, means a dt tends to pi by 2 f of 0 plus as a lambda tends to infinity. This condition will be show. This all this condition, it is to the form of a localization lemma, means this lemma will be using it this condition, means the same as a lemma is the same as a theorem, but it is a mirror part of to the form. Okay, this will be containing of this form and generated to the equation, then started as a proof of this condition. Then proof, given that to the condition, that is the f of t is an elements of a p dash generating as a form p dash 0 to infinity, and another form f of t upon t is an element of a1 0 to infinity. Okay, both of this condition is a given, but that is in the form f of t upon t is the arbitrary integrable in a 0 to infinity. It is a arbitrary integrable form. Okay, generated as a limit, that is the initial limit 0 to the final limit will be containing as a infinity in the integrable form. Then by the definition of a absolute integrable, you know that the definition of to the absolute integral, we can find a positive number, that is a capital M, such that positive number will be given at two condition, and for any positive number epsilon, that is a epsilon always tends to 0. For any given positive number will be containing, that is all n, n1, n2, all this form. For any positive number epsilon, that is a epsilon is always tends to 0. Then condition will be generated to the form, that is the integration n to infinity mod of f of t upon t dt is always less than epsilon by 2. Okay, this condition of to the form is always less than epsilon by 2 given as a positive number capital N. Okay, all this form, this is the equation first. After that, giving to the condition, that is a now this condition will be generated to the form using as a localization lemma. This is a localization theorem of to the contain in this equation. Okay, this is a localization lemma giving as a mod form, mod of integration 0 to infinity sin lambda t upon t dt minus pi by 2 f of 0 plus. Okay, this will be to the form will be generated. Then mod of integration 0 to n f of t sin lambda t upon t dt plus generating of to the form n of, means both of this condition n, this is a limit will be changes to the form. This will be first term will be contained as a upper limit and second term containing as a lower limit. Okay, integration n to infinity f of t sin lambda t upon t dt minus pi by 2 of f of 0. this condition will be generated. Then separating to the form in all these condition, mod will be generated as a integration less than containing of to the form in the equation, that is integration 0 to n f of t sin lambda t upon t is the same as to the form minus of this term of this equation, that is the minus part will be containing in the mod minus pi by 2 f of 0 plus will be generated and mod will be completing plus integration n to the infinity f of t sin lambda t upon t dt. This will be containing as another form in the mod condition. Okay, this will be to the left hand side containing of the form is always less than this equation. How it is possible separating of two conditions, that is absolutely integrable, because the formula of the mod of a to b means the mod of a plus b is always less than or equals to is separating to the mod, that is a mod a plus mod b. Okay, this will be the formula will be containing of the form. After that, less than or equals to, both of this condition will be changing to the mod. This is as it is to the form of this equation plus this formula will be changes, means the integration of n to infinity will be separating to the mod, that is a f of t will be changes as a f of t will be containing as a f of t, and this t only contain as a mod. Okay, f of mod of f of t upon t containing as a separating, and another form is remaining of two condition, that is the sin lambda t upon dt containing as a another mod. This will be the using as this formula. Okay, this will be the form will be generated. Then after that, this all condition will be as it is of the first term plus integration n to infinity mod of f of t upon t will be containing, because mod of a sin lambda t dt will be containing of to the form in any condition is always less than or equals to 1. Okay, this value of a sin lambda t is always less than 1, then this will be the continuing of the form, that is a containing as a sum of the less value than the 1, hence it will be negligible to the condition. This is the second equation to the form. After that, the second equation by using as a localization lemma, we know that to the localization lemma, if for the n positive number of this localization lemma, condition will be given at to the form, that is a corollary will be given, but sum of to the condition will be generated as a localization lemma. For epsilon tends to 0 and n tends to 0, we can find a some positive number such that a capital N number will be find at to the condition. Then first condition will be given as a form, that is the first term will be generated mod of integration 0 to n f of t sin lambda t upon t dt minus pi by 2 f of 0 plus. This condition by using as a n positive number of this term will be generated as a form, that is a always less than epsilon by 2, for giving as a value lambda is always greater than n for the some n positive number, means positive integral of this condition. Okay, this will be depending on the localization lemma theorem of this condition will be applied. This form will be, this equation will be contained as a equation third. Then put equation third and 1 in equation 2, third and equation 1 putting to the value of equation 2. Then what is equation 2 will be generated as a form, that will be containing mod of integration 0 to infinity f of t sin lambda t upon t dt minus pi by 2 f of 0 plus. This condition contain as a form, that is a always containing of the form less than epsilon by 2 will be generated, means a plus of epsilon by 2 will be containing. This less sign is a wrong form, because of this does not contain at this form. Okay, epsilon by 2 plus epsilon by 2 contain as a cross multiply of the both condition, that is a this 2 multiply by the epsilon, means a 2 epsilon plus this 2 multiply by 2 epsilon, that is a 4 epsilon upon 2 into 2 contain as a 4, 4 cancelling, and last result will be contained as a form. Last result will be finding to the condition that is a equals to epsilon, where lambda is always greater than n. Okay, but epsilon is a arbitrary condition. You know that all this theorem, all this lemma or corollary will be containing to the form that is a epsilon is always arbitrary. Then mod of integration 0 to infinity f of t sin lambda t upon t dt minus pi by 2 of this condition is tends to 0. Thus, we containing as a form all this result will be finding of this condition, that is the this 0, hence this side of the minus will be transferred into the another form, some negative contain as a positive form as lambda greater than 0. Hence, it will be proved as a using localization form of the lemma, then equation will be generated, and this mod will be continuing relief of this form and generated as a integration 0 to infinity f of t sin lambda t upon t dt is always tends to this pi by 2 f of 0 plus, as where lambda is always greater than 0, because this condition in transferring to form of a 0, then lambda is generated as a infinity form, and both of these condition will be generated to the form. This is the last result of the localization lemma corollary. It is a short form of this localization lemma and containing to the generated of the equation by using as a positive integer n. Okay, last result will be form integration 0 to infinity f of t sin lambda t upon t dt tends to pi by 2 f of 0 plus, as lambda is greater than infinity.